Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P242c code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's exhaust gas temperature sensor, also known as the EGT sensor. And if left unresolved, it can prevent proper DPF regeneration, increase exhaust emissions, reduce engine performance, and eventually damage expensive exhaust components. What does P242c mean? P242c stands for Exhaust Gas Temperature Sensor Circuit Low Bank 1 Sensor 3. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the voltage signal from exhaust gas temperature sensor 3 on bank 1 is lower than the normal operating range. The exhaust gas temperature sensor monitors the temperature of the exhaust gases and sends this information to the ECU. The ECU uses this data to control DPF regeneration, protect the catalytic converter, and maintain proper emissions control. If the sensor sends a low-voltage signal, the ECU may incorrectly calculate exhaust temperature, causing regeneration failures and poor emissions system performance. As a result, the ECU stores the P242c trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P242c, you may notice: check engine light on, DPF warning light, reduced engine performance, poor fuel economy, failed or incomplete DPF regeneration, increased exhaust emissions, loss of engine power. And in some diesel vehicles, the engine may enter limp mode. If the problem continues, soot can build up inside the diesel particulate filter, leading to costly repairs. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. Sensor 3 is usually installed after the diesel particulate filter or after the catalytic converter, depending on the vehicle manufacturer. The sensor is threaded into the exhaust pipe and connected to the ECU through a wiring harness. Because it operates in extremely high temperatures, the wiring and connector are exposed to heat, moisture, and road debris. The most common causes of P242c include: faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor, short to ground in the signal circuit, damaged wiring harness, broken or melted wires, loose or corroded electrical connectors, water intrusion in the connector, exhaust system damage, or ECU problems in rare cases. A damaged sensor or shorted wiring is the most common reason for this trouble code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional DPF or exhaust-related trouble codes. Inspect the exhaust gas temperature sensor wiring for melted insulation or broken wires. Check the electrical connector for corrosion or moisture. Measure the sensor voltage and resistance using a digital multimeter. Monitor live exhaust temperature data with a professional obd2 scan tool. And compare the sensor readings with the manufacturer's specifications. How to fix P242c: repair damaged wiring. Repair any short to ground condition, clean or replace corroded connectors. Replace the faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor if testing confirms failure. Repair damaged exhaust components if necessary, clear the code. And perform a complete road test while monitoring live exhaust temperature readings. Final result: fixing P242c will restore accurate exhaust temperature monitoring, allow proper DPF regeneration, reduce harmful exhaust emissions, improve engine performance, protect the diesel particulate filter and catalytic converter, and help your vehicle run efficiently again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.